Hi everyone. In this video we will see famous people who are ENTJ personality type from Myers-Briggs type indicator categories. But first let's explain what our ENTJ personality is. Stands for extraverted, intuitive, thinking, judging. Or the commanders. ENTJs are natural leaders, motivated to organize change. They are strategic, quick to see inefficiency and conceptualize new solutions, and enjoy developing long-range plans to accomplish their vision. They excel at logical reasoning and are usually articulate and quick-witted. ENTJs are often very motivated by success in their careers and enjoy hard work. They are ambitious and interested in gaining power and influence. They are determined, strategic and very charismatic, which may be the reason why they are the highest earning personality type of MBTI, and they also tend to do great at school. Even though they are outgoing and friendly, their dominant personality may intimidate people around them. They enjoy competitive sports, community gatherings, social events, but because often they are workaholics, they may have less hobbies than an average person. ENTJs value achievement, their careers, but also their friendships and family. They are extroverts who take pleasure spending time with other people. ENTJs despise laziness, they are always efficient and energetic. They don't let things sabotage their goals. With their natural charisma, they reach leadership positions easier than other types. But that doesn't mean they are flawless. ENTJs can be very stubborn and intolerant to any idea that is an obstacle to their own ideals and goals. They also have big trouble being a subordinate, and this can harm their careers from the start. But with a position they fit and a team with efficient, hard-working people, they can achieve great things. Their arrogance and cold approach to things makes it harder for them to relate to other people, and their obsession with perfection sometimes make them ruthless to their beloved ones. ENTJs are very rare. They make up 2% of the general population. 3% of men, 1% of women are in this group. And now, let's see which celebrities are ENTJs. I hope you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe.